Hey babes, welcome to my Vlogmas giveaway where 2 lucky winners will be winning $50 Amazon gift cards. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel, I'm alerted when you do, and engage on all of my Vlogmas videos. The more you do, the more entries for you. Good luck!
Okay guys, so I am currently sitting outside of my solid core Pilates class, staying hydrated, got my water because I'm about to get ready to go and work out. But I got my cousin coming with me, so I'm so excited about that. We're gonna do this workout together. She has no idea what she's walking into, so I'm happy to introduce her to the solid core world. I feel like solid core is one of those things that is like super intense and like highly underestimated because so many people think that solid core is like your average Pilates class, and it is not. Let me just tell you that it is not. It's nowhere near. It's very, very, very much boot camp. And I like it personally. I always hate it like when I'm actually doing the solid core class, but I like it because it just like I don't know, it just like when you get done with it, you feel like you've just taken on the world and you've accomplished so much. So I guess that's why I like it. Like in the moment I don't like it, but when it's over I love it because I'm like, I made it through that. It's been a very long day at work, you guys, in case you can't tell by what I'm wearing. But I just got off and I'm about to go get this workout in before I head home and get ready to do it all over again tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm about to get ready to go in here, change, and get me a Celsius drink in my system, and we'll be on our way to having that fit body that we all want. So come along with me to my solid core class with my cousin.
This is what they say, throw it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, and still make it, college park, call a home, I'm floating on wrong, choking on that homegrown, pick up this other cooking, they got them fellas looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it, that's when I say no, shorty can't handle this, ever got that fire like,
so as you can see, it's very late. I finished my solid core class. It whooped my ass so bad that I had to go get me some ice cream. This is strawberry cheesecake and cinnamon ice cream with caramel and rainbow sprinkles. and whipped cream and a cherry. And I am so excited to have this because I worked hard for it. So anyway, I'm getting ready to head back home and tear this up, and I will catch you guys in the next scene. Go Tre'nae, go Tre'nae, go Tre'nae, go Tre'nae. Ooh, 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 go Tre'nae, go Tre'nae, go Tre'nae, go Tre'nae. Now reach, girl, reach, girl, reach, girl. Reach, girl, reach, girl. It's the workout, son. Go Tre'nae, go Tre'nae. Ooh, 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 ooh. We are matching. Let me see your fit. Yes. We're like literally
here right now, huh? We should all disappear right now. Look, you're getting all your friends and you're getting in the car and you're coming to the house. Are we clear right now, huh?
We did not do this. We did not plan this. But we're literally twinning for this.
Niggas see me rolling and they mood change.
Look, everybody got our fit.
I could probably make some steps and just fuck each other. Talking fillets with the truffle butter. Fresh sheets and towels, man, she gotta love it. Yeah, they all get what they desire from it. What? Tell them niggas we ain't hiding from it.
So the only difference is your dress.
I'ma get no be so. Yeah, you won't capture my soul. I'ma get no be so. Make you one umbo. Better, bye. I'm blue. Even better, run the bar. Tonight in Josie, I'm in Josie. Won't call it for one Josie. I'm not playing with you, I'm not joking. My thought I'm almost loaded. Me, you can vibe, but I'm on board. I'm on duty, but I'm on load. They want do me, they want do me, they want do me, but they want do me. When they want me, when they want me.
First of all, I want to thank each and every one of you for coming to the premiere of my documentary.
When they want me, I just
Oh my gosh, guys, that movie premiere was so good. Megan Thee Stallion really has a story to tell y'all. Like, that girl has been through so much. I didn't realize how much she had been through until seeing it like all laid out like that. And I don't know. I had like so many mixed feelings about things. But one thing I will say is that you can't judge nobody. None of us can judge anybody. And if we were put in her situation, I couldn't imagine. Like, it's so much easier to say what you would do different or what you would never do or what you would do or whatever, until you're actually put in a position like that. You can't judge like anybody's decisions because they're doing what they can with what they have at the time, with no real like none of us can see the future, so it's not like you have any like inkling of how it's gonna turn out. You just go with your gut in the time. But I'm so happy that it all worked out for her. Like, she's really that. Like, she is so strong, and I respect you, Megan. That was such a good documentary. Nneka did her thing. Nneka is the director for this movie. For the screening, she directed this whole thing. She recorded most of it on her iPhone too. I was like, oh girl, what iPhone you got? Because the quality was great. But yeah, wow, like that was a great screening. I didn't think it was gonna be as good as it was, but it was really good. Only thing that I didn't like, nothing with the movie, it's just Megan. We sat in that theater a whole hour before she even came to talk on the screen. I love you, Megan. I do. But it's a weekday. So we gotta work tomorrow. And your girl, and it started at 9 o'clock. So she didn't, well, it was supposed to start at 9 o'clock. She didn't come on until like 9:50. And then the movie didn't start till like 10:06 or something. It's a 2-hour long movie. And I live an hour away. Like, come on, Megan. Like, I gotta get home. It's already midnight. So I'm not gonna get home till like 1 o'clock. But it was really good. I'm just so happy I got the opportunity to go. So thank you so much, Amazon. Amazon screening. I am just so happy that I got to experience this. So thank you. And yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this vlog out because I gotta get home and it's late and I'm tired. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you guys enter into the giveaway. Do not forget to do that so that I can give you guys your prize. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, be yourself, be you, be beautiful, and be untamed. And I will see you guys tomorrow in the next Vlogmas. Bye. Ow.